What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya, and welcome back to my trading channel. Now, today I'm so excited to teach you this volatility indices strategy that can help you make thousands and thousands from the volatility indices market. Okay, we're mostly going to be looking at the major volatility indices that we have. Talk about V75, V100, V25, and other major volatility indices that we have. So this strategy is mainly going to help you do your analysis. We're talking about price action, and also I'm going to include the indicator that I have been sharing with you guys for the past few days, the newly launched indicator that does market analysis for you. It does tell you when to enter, it does tell you when to stop, it shows you your support and resistance, and it basically tells you the right time to enter into the market. So today we're going to be looking at all that. And if you're new to this channel, I share different trading strategies each and every single day that are going to help you grow in your trading journey. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos and any of my analysis, please make sure that you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that I will notify you personally the next time I post a video. Okay, so currently we are looking at V75, and we were going to try and do a top-down analysis, and then I'm also going to implement the indicator so that you see how accurate that indicator is and how in line it is with your trading. Okay, so let's start off from the 4-hour time frame. Right now I am on V75, as you can see, 4-hour time frame, and we're going to try up and just mark up some key price levels that we see. Just look for a trend, basically from a higher time frame, so that we can look for opportunities from the lower time frame that we can actually enter into. Okay, so right now I'm on V75, like I said. I'm going to try and look for a trend. I'm going to try and come from this highest point, see if we can't have something on our charts. I've got a really big screen right here that I'm using. So we're going to try and draw the most perfect trend line. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for the most number of touches on each and every trend line that I'm going to draw. Okay, this is to increase my accuracy. So this one, I would qualify it. Why? Because it also respects my previous zones. Okay. So generally, we can see that we are in a very nice uptrend. Okay. We are actually in a very nice uptrend. The market is really trying to push up from this low. Okay. And I'm trying to have the most number of touches on my line. So right now I now have this, and this, which qualifies my line. I'm going to adjust this one as well so that we have the most number of touches. Again, this is possible. Okay, this is a very high time frame, remember guys. So don't worry. Okay, so I can already see that we have a nice wedge that is forming on my 4-hour time frame. Okay, I'm going to try and adjust it and make it as perfect as possible. So this is a rising wedge. Some of you guys may already know it, but we can't really make any decisions from something like this. What we can only do is highlight these key important price levels. Okay, why? Because you can see that price respects it quite a lot. This was a major resistance when we were down here, and we managed to actually break it. We had a breakout, a retest, double retest, and we went all the way up. So at least now we have an idea of where the basis of this whole thing is. You can see again, we also have a lower support that we've been with, uh, and let's try and see if we can see other price levels. I try to make these as zones because as you can see, price is not, it doesn't hit exactly the same spot, so it will be a range or close to that previous price range. Okay, and again you can also see that here we also have sort of like a zone that has been formed. Why? Because we came and bounced here, went way the way back down, came back again, bounced, came down, bounced again. So this qualifies again to be a pretty nice zone. You can also extend this to actually cover this whole section and just make it one zone so that we don't have different trading ideas. Okay, I'm gonna move down to my 1 hour time frame and see what we can get from the 1 hour time frame. And again, from the 1 hour time frame, as you guys can see, we can actually find another trend in our 1 hour time frame. We can find trends in our 1 hour time frame. So this is what we call trends in trends. Okay, you can see at this point with a trend, although we were in an uptrend with trends in trends on our lower time frames, and now we currently in our 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have something very crucial forming up. We have this nice trend in a trend, and this time around it is very much better because it's an uptrend which is available in an uptrend as well. So generally we're in an uptrend from a higher time frame, and now we can also see that on our trends in trends we are in this uptrend. Okay, so now from our 1 hour time frame, I can already make it decisions. Why? I can already make decisions because I now have three confirmations. I have this resistance zone up here. I have my upper trend line, which is my upper resistance again. I also have my upper trend line from my 4 hour time frame. So let me change this trend in trend on a lower time frame to make it a different color so that you guys can actually see the different confirmations that we have. Okay, so I changed it to blue so that you can actually see how many confirmations we have. I'll also change this support. I'll also change this support to this resistance zone to maybe a very different color. Let's choose yellow. Let's see if it's good. So I have one, the blue one, the red one, and the yellow one confirmations confirming a sell around this region, which means probably price is going to look to fall back down to this point, and I don't know what's going to happen. It probably will fall even further. So my entry was supposed to be probably here, make a sell to this level, wait for a price decision, and the price will continue going down to our lower support trend, or price will bounce and maybe break out of our chart. Okay, let's go back to down to maybe the 30-minute time frame. Probably you can clearly see what's happening there. Okay, from the 30-minute time frame, I can see that price is sort of like respecting this area. It's respecting this support zone, sort of like bouncing, and I don't know what it is trying to do here. Probably we're going to bounce from here and go up like that. Okay, so I'm just breaking you down, guys, the different possible options that we have on V75. Okay, now to make work easy for you, see what this indicator does for you. Okay, I'm just going to load up my indicator and see if I cannot get any opportunity. So I'm going to load it up like that. Can you see, guys? This is the 30-minute time frame. We've got all the opportunities that were labeled buy. We've got that sell entry that I mentioned up high there on our on our resistance. If you still remember from our analysis, and I talked about this zone again, and I said price is really respecting this zone, so probably we might see price pushing up. And you can see that price is actually pushing up. We've got a buy entry already given by the strategy. Now imagine if you had entered here when the buy entry was given, how much profit will you be? This is V75 we're talking about, guys. This is V75. We've got a very high peep value, as you guys already know. We've got a very high peep value, and you know that's a lot of money. So already I can see that my indicator is already confirming that you are in an uptrend. That's why we have so many buy entries or signals given by the indicator, because generally we are in an uptrend like we discussed from the 4 hour time frame. And as you can see from the 4 hour time frame, we were getting all the buy, so we could have picked up the buy right around here. Now imagine if the indicator gave you this buy at this zone. This was a no-brainer, guys. If you see your price reaching this blue zone indicated by the indicator, you're probably going to go up for a very long time. So the buyers who came here, it could have ended here again. So many re-entries that you were given by the strategy. And now we are up here. There was another re-entry about a few hours ago. Yeah, that we have taken all the way up to that level. Can you see how powerful this strategy is, guys? This is the 4 hour time frame, and imagine if you can catch a trend from this very high time frame, okay? And then the sell entries from the lower time frame that we were talking about, that we are reaching the resistance zones and all that. And either way, from uh, all lower time frames, we're still getting the buy entries. So all these buy entries were given. These ones are short term trades. Like I said, we are in an uptrend in general, but doesn't mean that the market will always be pushing up. So from the lower time frame, you can actually see that we will be having even sell trades that you would have entered. Why? Because we are we are having trends in trends, like I was explaining, where the moment where price was pushing down on our trends in trends. Okay, so this indicator, guys, and this strategy, the combination is amazing, and this is what I teach you when you get the indicator. I also teach you how to do your price action so that you have over 90% accurate trades. You won't even miss. The only thing that will be blocking you is your psychology and your risk management. Otherwise, you are not supposed to be even losing. Okay, so the technical side is soft. The technical side is soft. You're going to get your entries nicely given out to you by the indicator, and all you have to do is just maintain your trade. So I can actually enter into a buy trade right now, and you guys will see that the amount of profits that I'll make from this. And already you can see that it's following a nice trend. Okay, it's following a nice trend line here that has been confirmed by these blue zones that you see here. They confirm major support areas. So if you extend this blue zone, you probably see that it is a major price zone. That's an area of decision. That is where most of uh, our entries are coming from, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you want to be added into our 100-day trading challenge for volatility indices. I'm also using this indicator in that challenge. So if you want to be part of it, just subscribe, like this video, and comment down below that you are interested. And you can send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number where you'll be able to talk, and also be able to add you to that group. And my WhatsApp number will be in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. You'll also be able to see my trading results in that Telegram channel, my student trading results, and our signal services as well. So feel free to join. It's completely free to join. The link will be in the description. Just click it and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, and you can join for free again. Yep, you'll be able to find my WhatsApp number in there, my trading results, my students trading results, results from our VIP signals group, results from our account management program. So if you really enjoy that, it's a group with over 7,000 traders, guys. It's a big trading community. So if you want to be part of it, make sure you jump into it. If you guys really enjoy this analysis that we do on V75, and if you want me to do them maybe every day, every morning, we look at the charts, comment down below, guys, that you are interested. I don't want to make these videos too long. I thought we would analyze even V25. Okay, let's try V100. At least let's try V100. So as you can see, I've gone to my 4 time frame. V100 is not even that difficult to analyze at this moment. You can all see that it's coming from this point and going all the way up. What we now need is to really have some nice trends that we can maybe show. Okay, you can see that price has been respecting this trend. Just going to extend it a little bit, but I can see that price has been respecting this trend. I can also see that we can have something similar at the bottom, and okay, I'm looking for the most number of touches, so probably price is going to hit here and maybe fall, I don't know. Usually going to confirm with my indicator. Okay, we can see that we've got a very important price zone here. We also have the same important price zone around here, and it even extends all the way to this section, so it's valid. and we can see that price has been trying to push up, so trying to push up and up and up. We're not going to force it. Also have another interesting zone here. Okay, there's an interesting price zone right here. Okay, so we're just going to see what our price is going to do. Actually broke that zone and went above it, so might experience more buy trends. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see if we can find more trends in this trend. Okay, so we can even narrow down our analysis and just have something simple, something we can all understand. There's sort of like consolidation going on up there. I don't want to confuse you guys, so I'm going to go to my 30-minute time frame and see if we can get an entry. Now we've done all analysis. You can see price is coming from this, came here. This was an important zone. That's where you see there was sort of like consolidation. We retested this zone and broke out. Retested this zone, broke out, came here, first resistance, went back down and respected our previous support, went back up, respected our previous resistance, came back down again, respected our double support, and went up, broke this um, resistance, came to retest it. So probably we're going to break to this level, and maybe we're going to actually wait for a decision from here to go up. But let's see what our indicator was saying. Might actually go up or face this resistance and come all the way down. Okay, so let's see what our indicator says about this. Can you see that it's very difficult to come up with an analysis just from your price action, but with your indicator you'll be able to see some entries. So from the 1 hour time frame, we can see all buy entries that were given by our indicator. Okay, so currently about 3 hours back, we were given this buy entry. So the buy was confirmed by the indicator, and we are 3 or 4 candlesticks in profit currently. As you can see, the buy was correctly predicted. So generally, I'm actually going to be looking for buy trades only, because I can see that we've been getting only buy trades from this. Maybe from a lower time frame, we're getting small short trades. Okay, so I've gone to my, let's start with my 30-minute. So from the 30-minute time frame, you can see all buy entries, and from the 5 minute, that's where you can see the first sell entry. So the strong momentum is a buy, as you guys already saw from our 4 hour time frame, that we were in a buy, strong buy momentum, and it was clear. And the indicator was just giving you buy trades, no sell trades, because it was not necessarily the momentum. Let's see our forward template. Can you see that the momentum is very strong on a buy? We've been bullish since. So the strategy didn't see it fit. The indicator didn't see it fit to give you sell entries, which means that even if you entered buy trades blindly, you'll still be profitable and still make money. Even the indicator was not giving you these sell trades because they were not necessary and they were very, very short. Can you see? It would sell from here to here and it ends, here to here it ends. So that's why the indicator was not giving you those entries. Let me know what you guys think about this strategy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. Until next time, goodbye.